Hey y'all, my name is Eric, and welcome to the Common Knowledge Club. Today, I'm going to start building my toolbox. Let's get started. Now, for the first tool for my toolbox, I have a Craftsman screwdriver. Now, Craftsman is one of the most reputable brands in the tool making industry. This screwdriver here comes with 12 different screw tips that include Phillips head, flat head, square tip, and star bit, which are technically Torx bits. As well, this is also a telescoping and ratcheting screwdriver, and it just makes screwing in a screw that much easier. So let's get started with opening this thing up. Let's start by taking a look at our screwdriver here. Now, aside from being just a normal screwdriver, there are two important features we want to look at. The first is going to be telescoping. Now, this portion here actually runs all the way down into the screwdriver and is known as a socket extender or sometimes a bit extender. And what we're going to do is similar to how you would do so on an impact driver. We're just going to pull down this little black portion here, and it's going to allow us to slide up and down the bit extender. Now I can slot it at a higher rank here, and now it is firm in place, and this would help me get into a harder to reach space where maybe the bulkiness of the handle wouldn't allow me to get to the screw, but because the extender I now can, I could also slot it at a lower down setting here, just for normal, everyday, more practical use. And then the second feature we have is that this is a ratcheting screwdriver, which means that turning this base piece here will allow me to either loosen or tighten a screw without having to constantly remove and replace the screwdriver and the screw tip into the screw itself. So let's look at our first 6 screw tips here. They're the flathead tip and the Phillips head tip respectively, represented by minus signs and plus signs here. As you can see, the flathead here is just sized with its number, whereas the Phillips head is represented by the pH and has a different sizing scale. Our next 6 are a square tip represented by a square and a Torx or star bit represented by this star image here. And the square bit has, the sizing is preceded with an S to let you know that it is a square bit, and the Torx bit is preceded by a T to let you know it's a Torx bit. Now there's another similar bit to the Torx bit called a Torx security screw, and the main difference is that the screw tip is kind of hollowed out in the center, and there's a physical part of the screw that allows the bit to slide into it, which is why a regular Torx bit will not be able to work in a security Torx screw. I'm thrilled to officially add this Craftsman screwdriver into my toolbox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next week for episode 2 of Building My Toolbox.